Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, we got a little bit of snow here in upstate South Carolina. Just 2 or 3 inches with a coating of ice on top. Not too bad, but it is too bad to fire roll on top of. That's why I keep insisting that you learn how to vertical fire roll. Let me show you the fire table. So, kind of not a very good bottom board, 100% cotton ball. And we'll use just a 3-inch piece of it. And we'll ash the rest. Ash tinder makes a great coal extender. These are just regular wood ashes, just what happens to come out of the hobo stove. Although these are American red cedar ashes. I think they're hotter than other ashes. I know this doesn't seem like much snow to the cold countries and states, like the states bordering the Canada line and on up into Canada and Alaska. But, I mean, y'all are set up for it. Now, I grew up in Connecticut, so I'm used to snow drifts that cover up cars, jumping out into the snow and it going up to your waist as an 8 and 10-year-old kid, shoveling out the driveway, and then the snow plow comes in front of that driveway and fills it back in down by the road. I'm familiar with all that. But here in South Carolina, they're not really set up for that. So, just a little fire roll that I'm going to top board with the handle of my knife, like you've seen many times before. I want to go ahead and make the ash tinder. I mean, I could probably get away without doing this, but there's no need to take a chance. I have the extra cotton. I have the ashes. So, and we'll put the ignited fire roll right in there. Well, sadly, I could not make the handle of that Moore Companion top board and get an ignition. So I've got this little piece of wood. I flattened it off on that side. Let's try it again. About a 3-inch piece of cotton, like I said. Now, I can get more even pressure with this little 5-inch top board. I smell it.
Alright, y'all, do me a favor before you leave my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.